Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add your bank details to your invoices in Xero. This is super important because it tells your customers where to pay you. And yes, I'm using the Xero demo company so beginners can follow along easily. First, log into Xero and select the demo company. This helps you practice without changing your real data. Now, let's add your bank account details. Click on the top right Settings icon, then click Invoice Settings. Here you'll see all your branding themes, the templates Xero uses for your invoices. Choose the theme you want to use. Most demo accounts have one called Standard. Click Options, then click Edit. This is where you control everything: logo, font, payment terms, and your bank details. Scroll down until you see a section called Payment Services and Payment Advice. To add your bank account manually, scroll to Terms and Payment Advice, and in the big text box, type your bank details. You can format it neatly so it looks professional on your invoice. This text will now appear at the bottom of every invoice using this branding theme. If you want your bank details to appear somewhere else on the invoice, like the top right, scroll up and click on Edit Title and Formatting. Here you can add lines like, "Please make bank payments to HDFC Bank 123456789." This gives you even more control over how your invoice looks. After entering your bank information, scroll down and click Save. Now click Preview to see how your invoice looks with your payment details included. If everything looks good, you're done. Go to Business, then Invoices, then New Invoice. Create a test invoice and click Print Preview to confirm your bank details show properly. And that's it. You just added your bank details to your Xero invoices. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.